show you how I am importing data with my system. On traveling investing, this is Project X, the system that automatically texts and gets you qualified leads that are off market from realtors. This is an example with Atlanta. You can see about 14,000 agents in the greater metro area. With the system, you can pull about 1,000 for $1.50 each. So 10,000 realtors would be about $15, no big deal. You can pull in 500 or as many as you want, and it deduplicates automatically. So if you search for and put in 500 you worked on Monday, and you want to pick up at the next number in that search, number 501, and continue on, it automatically does that. And all you have to do is enter the city you want to work in, the state, and you can also just pull in specific zip codes you want, how many maximum items that you want to put in, up to any number. In the sun, you can scrape it. It's available. If you want to make sure they're active, you can put in a higher minimum deals they've done in the last 12 months. And it works for these different property types, any and everything, multifamily, townhouse, land, whatever you want to do. Single family, of course, is normal. Exhaustive agents would be true if you want to just pull 500 today and run the same search later and then start at 501, like I was saying, to continue your search. And all the instructions are here. If you need zip codes, you can just go to this site and draw a box on the map and tell it to generate, and it'll generate the zip codes for you that you can just input here. Or if you already know the zip codes you want, just put them in there. These are the property types. Again, the limits on the imports for exhaustive modes, and some of these settings I already walked you through. And essentially how this works is, as soon as you import, it will take it directly into the built CRM, and it will add a tag, and it will immediately go into dripping them, sending them text messages 3 per minute all day long during working hours. They're tagged by the date when you bring them in, as well as the specialty of the realtor and these other search parameters, so that you can just simply enter a few things here, run import, and it starts texting as soon as it finishes that list scrape. So it's an incredible system that will qualify the lead with the realtor, have a real conversation through text with them, see what they have off market, and then it will sort those leads based on what QualifyBot gives it. QualifyBot qualifies them, and then it sends that data, including the motivation, the price, the timeline, the repairs. It includes all of that, and then it sends it over to the value bot that's going to run a real value analysis from the average of realtor.com and Zillow.com and Redfin, and see what price the realtor is asking for the property in relation to those. Sort it for you in the CRM, so you have qualified leads that are off market, that are lower than retail, that you can call. And also, we have a setting where they'll book directly into your calendar if you want to do that. So take a look at travelinginvesting.com/Project X, and you will have a live data terminal that you can import data on all the realtors in America or any specific cities that you work in.